Please subscribe this Wikitech channel and tap on the bell icon to receive the latest updates.
Hi everyone, this is Jason from Wikitech. Hi guys, we know that recently the Realme launches 4 products in India. So among those products, I have purchased the Realme TV, Realme Power Bank. Whereas in yesterday I have do unboxing of the power bank. If you guys have not seen that video, I was providing the video in the end screen. You guys can check out from the link. And also the home screen looks like this. Here is the Netflix app. Directly we can access the Netflix here, and here is the Prime videos we can watch here, and here is the live TV mode, and here is the AI point mode, and here is the YouTube. We can access the YouTube. Along with you can able to access Google Play and movies and TV shows, and also we can access here Google Play Store also was available here, and a Penguin browser. If you don't like this Penguin browser, you can able to download your interested customized browser, and you can use them because it comes with 8 GB internal storage, so you guys can install the custom browsing application as your interest. And also here is the Google Play services games, and here is the media player, and the last one with the help of this media player, if you connect to your pen drives, then you can able to access from this media player easily. We add any app according to your interest. First option we have Google Assistant. With the help of Voice Assistant also we can operate the TV by giving the commands with the help of OK Google. And also here is the keypad. By opening this we can type it and we can search for anything as you're interested. And here is the input source. If you click on this, you have seen the some options, channels. If you are watching TV, you have to select the channel, you know that already. Here is the HDM 1, 2, 3, 4, and 4 means is the AV port. So if you connect to the AV, you can watch it here on this arena. And here is the connected network. So if you click on this, you can see the connected networks and available networks here, but keep in mind it only supports 2.4 GHz band only, so please note, keep that in mind. So you can connect to your preferred network settings. These are the options what we usually see right now on the screen. You can use your preferred network settings, and here is the network and the internet what we've seen just now, and here is the channels. If you are in the TV mode, then you can go back to the channels, otherwise coming back again. And else in channel mode, you have seen the Google account was signed in already, so you can look here the link of the Google account, and whereas here is the apps which was come inside the TV. So here is the apps which was comes inside the TV, so you guys can check out right now. If you install any, usually these apps was pre-installed. What you are looking on the screen, these apps comes with pre-install, and also this was a device preference. If you go to the about, you can see the system updates here. If you get any updates of the system, it will be appear in this space. And also you put the name of the device also, whereas you can put the production name and restart your device by using this option, or else you can check the statuses also. You can check the IP, MAC, Bluetooth, address, serial number, lineup, like this stuff on it. Here you get the legal information, whereas here it gets the model, and it's right now it's working with the Android 9 version, the software update. You get here Netflix and kernel and security, whereas this is running with Android security level May 5th 2020. It's running the Android security, but right now it is the February, so it means we can expect very soon they will provide the Android update. And here is the date and time options. You can use here. You can put the auto date and time update, or else you can use this down format, use 24 hours format also. Here you can use the time format as your interest. You can put the TV on timer, TV off timer also by using this option. Where is the bottom, we can choose the language input keyboard. I mean the language, especially if you are interested in English, you can use that. And also there was the language for different countries, so that's coming back. And here is the keyboard area, where you can use the current keyboard, Google keyboard, or also you can add new keyboard by downloading from the Play Store and use it as a preferred interest. And here is the input source. We know that here is the power option, so you can see you can put the TV sleeper automatically. You can wake up the TV, anything you can do. The TV offer times only, especially we found in this app. So here is the power mode. So in this power mode, we can put the TV sleeper, picture off, or switch off the timer, or no, in case of no signal, the TV will shut down. So you can use these options by enabling them. And also coming back to the next before window, and here is the picture option, where in picture option you can use the preferred picture interest according to your style. You can use standard or vivid or even sports, movie or game or energy saving mode also. But keep in mind, I have put this brightness backlit light level to 0 because I was shooting it right now with my DSLR. If I put the brightness level to maximum value, then my camera was not identifying the screen properly. So that's why I put the brightness level to 0. But in your case, you can use the default or you can able to use it as a convenient. Okay, anyhow, if you're using this Realme TV with gaming mode, you can enable this option. Otherwise, if you are using LPC mode, you can enable this option like that.
He's so cute, he's so sweet, he's so handsome, he's so cool,
And here is the sound profile, so you can use this option to increase the volumes and Dolby audio processing by resetting also. Here is the storage, where it usually comes with 8 GB internal storage. Out of that we get 4.6 GB total space available. So these are the steps what install in our TV and come with the TV, like pre-installed stuff. And also here is the home screen, looks like this. So with the help of this home screen, you can make a lot of customizations according to your interest like that. Coming back, and here is the retail mode, which we usually do not need this one right now. And here is the Google Assistant. With the help of Google Assistant, we can operate the TV by doing voice commands. And here is the Chroma Cast. While you're watching videos in your mobile phone, then you can easily play those videos in your TV by just tapping on the YouTube Chroma Cast application icon. And here is the screensaver. If you wish, you can put the screensavers according to your interest. For example, I just clicked on start now. So the screensavers looks like this. Now, so you can enable the location by giving permissions to the Wi-Fi. And also it is the users and diagnostic report. If you use this option, if any crashes, any bugs in the TV, that directly goes informed to the Realme team, so the team will help you. And here is the accessibility. So by using these options, you can use this audio description if you want. Visually also you can use it, and hearing or even the captions you can use it, the stuff according to your convenient and comfortable. And here is the remote and accessories. If you have Bluetooth headphones or Bluetooth devices or Bluetooth speakers, then you can easily connect them by using this option. The picture quality was good. It comes with the Chroma Booster. So with the help of this Chroma Booster, it will enhance the pictures colors production. So it was very nice experience while watching those stuff in this. And also it comes with Dolby support speakers. It's 24-watt speakers, but keep in mind the speakers was loud enough for the room which was in medium size. But if you have a large size, then it's better to go for the home theater. And that's the impression, and the picture quality was good, especially the Chroma Booster. While watching the pictures with the help of this Chroma Booster, it was very nice. Viewing angles was good, colors was accurate, images was sharp and then nice, and audio was also crystal clear and loud. Besides just Dolby Atmos, it's an Android TV, so there was no custom UF. It's pure Android only. There is no custom UI of Realme, and also it comes with a 1 GB RAM with 8 GB internal storage. So out of that 8 GB, we get around 4.6 GB. So if you wish, you can download the stuff, the application, what you like. I also play the game by doing the screen mirroring of my screen, PUBG and Asphalt 9. It was a good experience while playing the game. But keep in mind, sometimes there should be delay in the signal of my phone to the Realme TV. But keep in mind, I was not using the normal phone. My phone is 835 Snapdragon, which is the old processor. But even though it's a flagship processor, 840, 835. But sometimes it was very good experience playing the PUBG and Asphalt 9. There was no delay in between my phone and the screen, TV screen mirroring, but sometimes there should be delay. But anyhow, it's a good experience. We can easily connect our mobile phone. We can play the games also. And also guys, in the X series they provide the best stands from left and the right. There was a two screws here, there was a two screws we need to fit. I do it myself, but I want to let you know those two screws was not getting too tight. Only one screw was getting tight here, and here also only one of the screw was getting tight, and remaining one was loose. So due to that, you have seen here there was the TV will go like this. Maybe this is the tilt feature, or whether it is the manufacturing defect, I don't know. We can adjust the TV like this, the viewing angle. If you are sleeping, then you can put the TV like this. Maybe this is the design or manufacturing defect, I don't know. Anyhow, I send mail to the Realme, so waiting for the team response. For this price category, 13,000 rupees, it is one of the best TV. But keep in mind the high variant 43 inches, its cost is around 22,000 rupees. This is not a good idea to purchase the full HD, because the cost is around 22,000 rupees. If you add 3,000 more, which means 25,000 rupees, but with the 25,000 rupees we can getting the 4K panel in MI. So it's better not to purchase the full HD in this Realme, but whereas in this HD quality it is enough for the price what we are investing. So finally, my initial impression was very good. I am happy with the purchase, but I want to let you know one thing. Let me show it to you. This is the remote which was comes with the Realme TV. So usually when we are operating the remote, we usually put the remote like this in front of the signal reception, and we do like this. But this TV is not like that. It works with the Bluetooth. We can operate the remote by putting it like this in this angle. And also I want to let you know one thing. Let me show it to you first. I have just clicked the button, just waiting for the screen to respond. You guys can check out right now. Hope you guys too can hear that music when the Realme logo comes up. And it was taking time to boot up the Android. It's the Android TV. It takes some more time to boot up and complete all the stuff. So that's it guys. There should be delay when we completely turn off the power, and when we turn the power. After that, when we turn on the TV, it takes some delay to boot up the device. That makes me boring. I mean, I was not happy. And also the response when I switch from one app to another app, there should be delay. The response time is taking some more response time. And also we can operate the remote like this in this by putting this angle also. You guys can check out right now. I was scrolling. Usually in my old videos, all my videos, I put the background screen like this. I just paused it and see, I was going to turn off the TV right now. I have done. Now I was going to turn it on. If you turn it again, the boot up will be very quick. But when I switch off it, then there is a different story. Now I was going to turn it on by clicking the power button again. Now you guys can check out how much time does it take. See, it's boot up very quickly. But whereas when you completely turn off the power and turn on the power, then that is a different story. But while switch off and turning off and turning on is very quick and good. That's it guys in this video. If you have any questions about this TV, just let me know in the comment section. I was very happy to assist you, and also very soon I was going to provide my complete review about this Realme TV as well as the Realme power bank in our channel. Thank you so much for spending your valuable time with me. If you don't mind, please subscribe our channel and tap on the bell icon to receive the further notifications. Thanks a lot for your love, support and commitment. See you very soon. We are family. Stay connected. Take care.